Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will do scalp trading in Euro versus US dollar, in which we will make very good profit. The most important technical analysis in scalp trading is to book profit in a short period of time. Here I am applying the first trade. See you later. Guys, our entry is at the right place. I have $2,200 in my account, which will grow through scalp trade. Right now we are losing a few dollars. It will soon come into profit. Let me explain to you the reason for applying sell trade. Right now the market has been moving in a downtrend for some time, but the previous trend was a strong uptrend. We have got a very good opportunity of downtrend here from which we can generate good profit. Now we do technical analysis, and for this we will first create a trend channel. The market has created lower high points on this trend line, which has taken resistance thrice. Still the market is very close to this trend line. The hope is that the market will go down from here. We will connect the second trend line at the lower low points with the same angle. This trend line is working as support. The market is currently following this trend channel, through which we can identify the opportunity of downtrend in the market to hit the target quickly. Always follow the market trend, which the market has been following for some time. To know the market trend, you can create a trend channel. Now we draw strong support resistance level. At this level the market has created support and resistance points, due to which the market has reversed at the same level. At this level the market first took support and later broke it and created resistance, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. We will see more such patterns in this trend channel. At this place also the market first took support and later broke this level and created resistance, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here. To always identify a strong downtrend, look for patterns that create high probability setups. Here we draw another level. Even at this level the market has created the same pattern. Whenever the market is in a downtrend, we will often see such patterns. From this we can guess the downtrend. Our analysis has been completed. We have drawn a strong support resistance level. This is a very strong level. Here I am now placing the stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 6 pips above the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel. We will not close the trade until the market breaks this strong level, and the target point will be 12 pips below where the market has more chances to go, because the market is following a strong downtrend. Guys, our current loss is above $400. We know what our loss will be, hence we have applied the trade as per our risk. Guys, all our work has been completed well. Now we have to sit comfortably and keep watching the market. Here you will be seeing a trend line breakout, but this is a fake breakout, because for a real breakout the market will have to break strong level along with the trend line, which has not happened yet. We applied this trade before the trend line breakout, but the market is now creating a different pattern. We will not close the trade until our stop loss is hit. See you later, guys.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new.
Wow guys, nice move. There was a lot of volatility in the market, but finally our target is going to be hit. Here the market created a slightly different pattern, but we remained in the trade here. We kept our psychology strong. Our target has been hit. We applied the trade in the right direction here. The market did not follow our trend channel, but the strong support resistance level was followed by very good moves where we drew a strong level and the market took double resistance on it and went down. Therefore, at the time of trend line breakout, one should always look for a breakout at a strong level. Only then will there be a real trendline breakout. This gives us double confirmation, which increases the chances of a trendline breakout trade being profitable. Here I am drawing another level. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points. The market has been following this level for a long time. This is also a strong level of the market. This is the level in the future where we will see reversal. At this level we can predict the market pattern. This level gives us a very good opportunity which we can easily identify. Now let's close the trade. Our goal has been achieved. Guys, our current profit is above $3,200. We had deposited $2,200 in this account, which has grown to $5,600. It is always very important to have correct technical analysis in scalp trade so that you can trade in the right direction. If you have learned something from this video, then please like it. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.